Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone. Great to see you again.
Today's topic is very useful. English conversation at a restaurant.
Yes, this is something everyone needs in real life.
Exactly. So listen carefully and try to repeat with us. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
And share it with your friends who are learning English.
Hey, Daniel, I'm hungry. Let's go to a restaurant.
Great idea. I'm hungry too.
Let's go to that new restaurant.
Sure, it looks nice. Hello, welcome. How many people?
Table for two, please.
This way, please.
Wow, the menu looks great.
Yes, there are so many options.
I don't know what to order.
Take your time.
I want one chicken and one rice.
Small correction. I want chicken and rice. No need one.
Oh, right. I want chicken and rice.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like chicken and rice, please.
And I'll have a burger and fries. Anything to drink?
I want water.
Better way. I would like water.
I would like water.
And I'll have a cold drink.
The food looks delicious.
Yes, it smells amazing.
This is really good.
I agree. The burger is very tasty.
Do you eat out often?
Not really, only on weekends.
Same here. I prefer home food.
But sometimes eating outside is fun.
This food is very deliciously.
Almost. Say, this food is very delicious.
This food is very delicious. I'm full now.
Me too. Let's ask for the bill.
Excuse me, can we get the bill, please?
Sure, here you go.
Do you want to split the bill?
Yes, let's split it.
Okay, now it's your turn. Repeat after us. Table for two, please. I would like chicken and rice. Can we get the bill, please? Let's split the bill.
Use polite words like please, I would like.
This makes your English sound more natural. Now, write in the comments, what is your favorite food?
Or what do you order at a restaurant?
We hope this conversation helps you in real life.
Practice speaking every day.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Through Talks.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.